Hi, welcome to the channel. I am Lena Hansen, and today we're going to be doing a lymphatic drainage, a gentle and effective way to reduce puffiness and to support our natural detoxification process. So grab some face oil, take a nice deep breath, and let's get started. So we are going to get started by applying a bit of face oil to our skin and our neck area. I like to take a little time to inhale the aroma. Aromatherapy is so therapeutic. I massage my face oil all over the neck area here, moving downwards from the jaw all the way down to my collarbone and chest area. And then I apply a little bit on my forehead and my face and cheeks and all over my face. So we are going to get started by tapping all over our chest area here. Going to use our fingertips, and this stimulates circulation and wake up our lymphatic system. So close your eyes, take a nice deep breath, and really feel that energy starting to flow. We're going to do this for about 30 seconds. This is really great for calming your mind as well. So next, we are going to move to the armpit area. So gently lift your arm here and use your opposite hand to knead the armpit muscle here, gently. And this helps to activate one of the main lymphatic drainage points. So we're going to spend about 30 seconds here on each side. Close your eyes if you want. Take a nice deep breath. We're going to go to the other side. Now we're going to be placing our fingertips gently on our collarbone. So place your finger inside here, the collarbones, and take a nice deep breath in and out, and allowing this area to relax. You see when you're taking that nice deep breath in, how your fingers are kind of going deeper into the collarbone here, just above the collarbone. So this helps to really open up the pathways for lymphatic fluid to flow more freely. I'm going to do this about 30 seconds as well, and you can place your fingers here in different parts of above the collarbone here, but take nice deep breaths. Wonderful. And next we're going to do a neck release. So let's move on to the neck here. Interlock your hands behind your neck with your elbows pointing downward here. So we're gently going to sweep our palms down here, down the sides of the neck, and let your elbows do the work here, moving all the way down. And this motion here helps to drain fluid from the face and neck area. So next I apply a little bit more face oil here because we're going to start working on the face. So apply a little bit here on our jaw area and our cheek area, moving all the way from the middle of the face all the way out to the ears and the temples. So we're going to place our thumb underneath our jaw and then gently fan out all the way from the middle of the face, going all the way out to the ears, and then going down. Gentle, sweep movements. Now really focus on the feeling of the fluid moving here underneath the skin. You don't want to overstretch the skin, you just want to gently glide it. So now we're working here with our fingers right underneath our eye area, moving all the way from the middle of the face to our ears, moving up to the forehead area. Really just visualize all that fluid moving and draining all the way out. This smooth motion here really helps to release puffiness and any tension. So I go back here to the jaw area, moving all the way from the chin to the ears. Wonderful. So next we are going to repeat the neck movement here. So again, interlock your fingers and then move your elbows down as you're gliding your fingers down the neck. Next, we are going to return to the clavicle area here. Take a nice deep breath. Place your fingers above your collarbone here. Breathe in and out. Letting your fingers gently rest here on the collarbone. Then we're going to end routine by just tapping on our chest area again. Now this completes the cycle and ensures that all fluid is flowing in the right direction. Beautiful. So that's it for today's lymphatic drainage massage. I hope you enjoyed it. If you feel extra puffy or tense, you can repeat this routine once or twice more. This is such a gentle and effective way to really calm our mind, ease our stress, and it's also great, of course, for the puffiness and releasing toxins. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know in the comments below how you enjoyed the massage and what other routines you would like to see next. Thank you again for joining me, and I will see you in next class.